Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Belinda and today I'm going to be colouring up a beautiful image from Christine Karron's brand new book. Let's pop in and have a look. Welcome back guys. I'm really excited about this speed colouring and flip through from Christine Karron's Realistic Portraits Greyscale Coloring book. This book is a collection of Christine's original hand-drawn portraits turned grayscale. It's a fantastic book with stunning realistic portraits of all kinds. Christine has a lot of these beautiful original portraits as demo videos on her YouTube channel, so if you're looking for colour inspiration, that's a great place to start. This book comes in a physical book and also a PDF book. I personally prefer PDF as I can print what I want when I want, and also I can print on any type of paper that I would like, and I could do multiple copies if I do make a mistake or I want to do multiple mediums, things like that. The image is coloured for the speed colouring on Neenah Classic Crest Solar White paper using Copic markers, and I did actually print the image one shade lighter just so that I could get the colour of the Copic markers through the darker grey areas. If I was using pencils, it would have been perfect for it. I just want to thank Christine Karron for this beautiful book and also for the opportunity to do this beautiful flip through and review for you and colour up this beautiful image at the end of the flip through. So make sure you hang back and watch that as well. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all of those things, and also make sure you check out Christine's social media links in the description below. I've also popped the links for her Patreon, Etsy store, YouTube channel, all of those things that she has, Facebook, everything underneath the video, so make sure you extend the description and have a read of that as well. Thanks so much for watching this one guys. I'll see you next time.